Wait, hold on. Thought I was a broker. Why do I have an apron on? Hello, everyone. My name is Broker Pollard. I am licensed in life, health, accident, and sickness in both North Carolina and Arizona at the time of this video. Before I got into the insurance industry, I was all up in the restaurants. Food service was the name of my game. And EvTheChef came before Broker Pollard. But now they're coming together. And I get to come to you guys to host cooking classes, cooking demonstrations, whatever it is, you get to come and sample my food for free. I love healthy eating. It is the way I keep adding fuel to my fire. Now, my main goal is to help everyone live a longer, healthier life to where you can then enjoy all of the ones that you love. Now, I love what I do and I want to bring it to you. And I have brought it to you because I've already done the first class. Now it's up to you guys to come and continue to join me for Tasty Tidbits Tuesdays, located at Centerwell Senior Primary Care in Durham on North Roxborough Road. And what we're doing at Tasty Tidbits Tuesdays is going over some budget friendly, meal prep friendly meals. Easy, affordable, and time saving. Buying fast food is always going to be the easiest thing to do. Not necessarily the quickest thing to do, but usually going to be the easiest thing to do. It has been my mission to help people live better lives. And that usually starts with what we put in our bodies. It's all about having fun while also learning something new. And most of all, changing those bad habits so that we can get into feeling better and getting in shape. Little secret here, that's not so much of a secret. I love Costco samples. I do. And if I could go somewhere where there's nothing but samples, I'm in there all day, every day. Matter of fact, every Tuesday, all throughout the rest of January and all of February. Tell a friend, grab a friend. Come along for some lunch because I'm here to feed you. Is it me, Broker Pollard, or is it Ev the Chef? Of the chef. Of the chef. Of the chef. Of the chef. Yeah, that's me. I love to cook. I love to eat, but I also love to teach. All right, no, seriously though, what are you waiting for? Give Centerwell a call, and if you don't give them a call, just call me to RSVP and save your spot today. And I hope to see you on a weekly basis because guess what? We're doing something new each week. I'm going to show you how to use what's in your pantry already into different recipes so that you can minimize your food costs on a monthly basis. And I promise you, if you attend Tasty Tidbits Tuesdays, you will be saving money on your food costs per month. Now, I can only guarantee that if you implement all the tips and tricks that I will be going over with you. But if anything, you'll leave with satisfied taste buds and a brain full of knowledge. Anyway, I hope to see you guys soon. Join me for Tasty Tidbits Tuesdays in Durham at Centerwell Senior Primary Care all throughout the rest of January and February. And if you guys really love it, guess what? I'll be back in March too. Hosted by yours truly, at the chef slash broker Pollard. Anyway, I can't wait to see you guys there. RSVP today.